guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to have a look at the compost bin. I stuck a compost thermometer in there about a week ago. Just want to see how it's doing, see if we can get the compost to heat up. So it doesn't seem to have moved. We want to really be getting it up to 50 degrees at least. So I think I need to get a turn round and see if we can encourage some heat. So as you can see, it has dropped quite a bit. It was right up to here. So we're going to get a bit of a turn round, see if we can mix up the green and the browns. If you get more carbon than nitrogen, then it does reduce the heat. We'll get a bit of chop up as well. Got some quite big bits of tomato stems in there. The heat increasing. Stick a thermometer in there. See if we get any improvement. I've got a runner, my runner beans. I've still got to be taken down. So I'll add that to them in the next. Add them to that in the next couple of weeks. So while we're here, let's have a look around and see how the garlic and onions are doing. Yeah, I've got a show with the garlic. I'm going to net them up today before the pigeons start putting them up. Yeah, they've all got green tops, so there's some more onions in here. Yeah, the onions don't really seem to be showing too much. The new raised beds have dropped a bit, so they're starting to break down. I need to get all this area cleared and get it prepared for next year. The golden raspberries, they're going into pots. The apple tree, I'll get that pruned once the leaves come off that. Comfrey, putting where the leaves onto the compost pile. Yeah, got the path topped up. We're lucky we've got a tree surgeon dumps us off chippings, as you can see. So anyway folks, I'll wrap that one up for now, and I'll catch you all again in the next one. Bye.